Sweet, slightly tangy, and made with simple ingredients, these raspberry oat bars are perfect when you want a healthy snack that actually tastes like dessert. They're simple, budget-friendly, and perfect for a snack during the day or even a late-night treat. So, let's jump right in. Start with a large bowl and add 1.5 cups of rolled oats, 2/3 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I used light brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now, mix this really well so everything is evenly combined. While you're mixing this, go ahead and melt 1/2 cup of butter. Once the butter is melted, pour it right into the bowl and mix again until everything comes together and looks slightly crumbly. Have your oven preheating to 175 degrees Celsius. Take about half of the oat mixture and scoop it into your baking dish. Press it down firmly so you get a nice even layer on the bottom. This is going to be the crust for the bars, so have it even. Now for the raspberry layer, get 2.5 cups of raspberries, add 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix this well so the raspberries are coated. I love cooking, and I hope this is just as enjoyable and easy for you as well. If you've seen a recipe that you'd like me to cook and make easier, please let me know in the comments. I love finding new recipes and making them my own. Then pour this into the baking dish and spread it evenly over the oat base. Now take the rest of the oat mixture and sprinkle it over the top. Spread it out evenly and press it down lightly so it sticks to the berries. Once that is done, pop that into the oven for about 45 minutes. You are looking for the top to be set and lightly golden brown. Once it is done, let it cool completely before cutting. I let mine cool for about 2 hours, then cut them into bars and put them in the fridge. The sweetness of the oat crust and the tartness of the raspberries work perfectly together. You can also swap raspberries for blueberries, strawberries, or mixed berries, depending on what you have at home. If you enjoy simple and healthy recipes like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one real soon.